Introducing WordPress for BlackBerry 1.0, a full-featured blogging app that makes writing, editing, adding rich media or managing the conversation on your blog easier than ever. Whether you're rocking an 8700, Pearl, Bold, Storm, Storm 2, Tour or Curve, WordPress for BlackBerry gets you started in the space of a few seconds. Add a WordPress.com or a self-hosted WordPress blog, or, if you have more than one, add as many as you like. Tweak your settings to suit, and you're good to get started. Writing and editing posts and pages has all of the main features and options you'd expect from the web version of WordPress, and a few more besides. You can edit your contract in portrait, or on supported models, flip over to landscape view for a little more room to play with. We've taken the pain out of adding links by adding a link assistant to speed things along. And if you want to make use of the More tag, custom fields or excerpts, not a problem, they're all included. Assign your categories and maybe add some media to your post. How about photos right from the camera or from your media library? Or maybe you prefer to say it with motion. In WordPress for BlackBerry 1.0 we've added support for video files, whether from your BlackBerry library or again, right from your camera. And if all that media gets too much, you'll be happy to hear that the app now supports SD cards, giving you more flexibility. Of course, you can preview your posts and choose the publishing settings that work best for you. Next up, you're going to want to manage the conversation on your blog. You can check comments for any individual post, or, of course, in the comments section of the application. With Gravatar integration, you can now put names to faces. And if you want to find out more about our commenter, click on the comment author's URL to check out their site in the BlackBerry browser. Comments can be moderated one at a time, or in bulk if you have a lot to handle. You can even reply to your comments right away in the mobile app. Add localization for French, Italian and Indonesian users, support for the BlackBerry Internet Service, and a bunch more smaller updates that make the whole experience smoother. And we hope you'll find that WordPress for BlackBerry makes for a powerful ally for when you're publishing and managing content out and about. And last of all, if you have feedback, have your say on what comes next, or even contribute to the open source code by hitting up the WordPress for BlackBerry forums. So that's WordPress for BlackBerry 1.0, all the power of your WordPress blog wherever you need to be.